Hello, everyone. Thank you for coming back to Moses Show. Today is Sunday, and that's the Power of Music, Chapter 4. Let's do it. We're going to talk about the Woody Woodboy song called manmi, tololo. It's like basically, oh, here's my mom, here's mommy, here's mommy, and I'm happy that mommy is coming. You know what I mean? I've done a lot of terrible experiences in life when it comes to women, but for you, I think I want to stay here with you. I want to stick around for this one.